I've been using this thermometer for 3 years straight, and it is rock solid. It's got a little light here, backlight if you ever need to turn that on. You can hold the temperature right here. You can change from Celsius to Fahrenheit and back again. And I really like that it's got the little cheat sheet right here if you ever want on the side to know what temperature you're supposed to actually bring different types of meat up to. Now, let me show it to you in action. You open this guy up, and it immediately turns on. You can toggle Celsius to Fahrenheit, and then the important part, when you're cooking your delicious meat, you can just come over here, stick it in the middle, and check it out. We got a little bit to go. Not too far though. Instant read. Very good. Very accurate. I've been using this for a long time. I don't think I've ever changed the battery, although there is a quick screw-off opening on the back for one of those flat batteries. This thing's awesome. Highly recommend.